on Disney's private island. I'm Danny.
And I'm Dolly. I'm a mom on the Disney Parks Moms Panel.
Dolly, this is paradise. Welcome to Castaway Cay. I know this is a day your family always looks forward to. What are some of the fun things you do together on the island?
Well, as a family, we usually start off with a nice bike ride. It's a great bike route, really easy. Head down to the airstrip, over to the lookout, and then we stop for pictures.
And tell us about the activities, snorkeling, parasailing, you name it, you can do it.
Lots of things for the kids to do as well as the adults. We usually will start off with that bike ride, then we do a little bit of snorkeling and actually make reservations to go parasailing, to go jet skiing. You can even do the glass bottom boat tour around the island.
On the ship, kids love the programs and activities just for them. Is there also fun for kids only on the island?
Absolutely. Just like what's on the ship, there are youth clubs that are organized and supervised right on the island. So your kids can hang out there with their friends. So much fun. They don't have to hang out with mom and dad the whole day.
And the adults, where do they escape to?
Well, the adults can spend the day at Serenity Bay. Nice and quiet, not anybody running around. You can spend the day there, you can get a massage there, and just relax and have a cocktail. So it'll be a lot of fun and relaxing for them too.
As you prepare for a day on the island, getting off the ship, what do you suggest taking along?
There's not much you need to worry about. Just get your swimsuits on, bring sunblock, maybe bring a bag. Everything is on the island for you. So you've got the towels there, you've got beach chairs, you've got umbrellas as well, and you can even have lunch there. You don't have to go back on the ship. There's an all-you-care-to-eat yummy barbecue lunch party waiting for the whole family there.
Tell us about one of the unique things on Castaway Cay.
We love seeing the characters in their beach attire. You don't see that anywhere else. And we just love the picture that we take on the island.
I want a picture.
I do too. Let's go get it.
Let's do it. What does everyone want to try? Who wants to do yoga on the beach? Minnie.
Parasailing? Donald.
Kayaking? Goofy.
And snorkeling? Mickey.
We have so much to do.
Wish you were here.